Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to move the game location of any game in the Epic Games Store without downloading the game again. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games in your account that you have and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, let's say this is the game right here that I want to move the location for, but I do not want to download it again for the whole game. So guys, what we're going to do is go ahead and open up the folder where the game is located. Here you can see this is the folder that is the installation folder of the Epic Games launcher for this game. And in there are these game files. Now guys, what we're going to do is go ahead and copy all the files in the installation folder. We're going to go ahead, copy them and paste them to another folder with a different name. So as you can see, I have already done that. I have pasted them to this folder right here, which is the folder I'm going to be using for keeping the game file. So I have pasted them in this folder, and now guys, what we can do is go ahead and look back and uninstall this game. We're going to go ahead and uninstall it. And now you can uninstall the folder because it is empty. This is the original folder where the game was installed, and now we have the game files in this different folder. So guys, what we're going to do now is go ahead back to the launcher and install the game to the folder where we want. So I'm going to install it right here, and when the installation starts guys, you want to go ahead and pause it. As you can see here guys, it is downloading all the game files. So what we're going to do is go ahead back and to the folder where we have pasted all the game files. We're going to go ahead and copy those files right there from that folder, and we're going to paste them to the new folder where we are installing the game, which is this one. So guys, go ahead and paste all the files right there. As you can see, I have successfully pasted the files. So guys, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and exit out of the launcher. Go ahead and exit out guys. And after I have exited out of the launcher, I'm going to go back into the Epic Games launcher. After you have exited out, this has stopped the download, and now guys, you want to go ahead back to the launcher, and I'm going to start the installation process again. So go back to your library, find the game that you're installing, and I'm going to resume. And now guys, if you look right here, you can see it is no longer downloading, it is only installing the game, because we already have the files and it will only need to install them. It will not have to download the whole game again. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.